Alrighty, let's see. Oh, I had my desktop audio on. Turn that off. Alright, my team 816. We're here. We're ready. Let's do this. Gappers. Gappers. LITM. Assault. Why can't I type it? Oh, I already have it up. I'm telling you, I have to clean my watch list. It's funny how you get so many tickers. LITA M FX LV SAI SOBR again. SOBR kind of was trying to grind yesterday. And then IONQ. And then John on Discord was calling out AM, something like AMIS, AIMS, AIMD, AI, AIMD. It's Yep. Sorry, this is what I got. This is what I got. There's John. There's TS84. Awaken One. Good morning. Argent Trader. Good morning. So I think I got all the gappers. Let's see how these start looking right here. Wow, LITM, a little bit of a pop, but this one has so much room to make up, so I honestly don't know that I will expect this one to move. Um, Next level for this, like 266, but you got $3, 3.5, and then 356 all-time high, or any recent high, sorry. Alright, let's see. We got FX. I guess I'll put this one on the side just so I can start keeping track of them. So LITM. LITM, okay-ish, not the best. XFXLV. Good morning, J Diaz 507. Good morning, good morning. And then we got FXLV. This one looks even worse. 377 pre-market high, 78 200 moving average. That's a long way to go. And then as far as the daily candles right now, Actually, it's in a gap fill, so that might mean something. So the beginning of the gap fill is 279, gap fill all the way up to 330-ish, 329. Oh, I guess it filled it already. So it's gone up and filled the gap. Even the top end of this gap is like 351, so I'll mark that 350, and then 337 all-time high. So this one had a gap, already came up, already filled it, and pulled back a lot. So I don't know that this one is also looking good. I'll keep it on my side chart for now, just in case, unless I see something better. But that one already does not look the best. SAI was another gapper. Honestly, it doesn't look good, so I'm not even gonna look at that one. Hold on. SOBR. This is one that honestly, wait a second. SOBR popped up to 2.3 today. So SOBR could make a run for it. We have not hit the 200 moving average on SOBR. If SOBR starts getting momentum, starts getting volume, this one can go back up, reclaim 250, make the move to 270s, and then maybe get a move up to $3.5, $4 or something on SOBR. So SOBR does not look bad. You do have a lot of short resistance at like 330-ish. The last time we spiked there. But this one doesn't look bad. So pre-market high there at 230. Good morning, Kieran. Kieran, I saw your DM, but I haven't had a chance to look at it and reply. So I'll get with you. I'll take a look at it later today. Okay. I had a couple DMs that I haven't checked. IO and Q, and good morning everybody else. J Diaz, Dr. Andres. Good morning, Abe Trades. Good morning, Rome on YouTube. So IO and Q popped up to 550, kind of pulling back, kind of holding the volume. I mean the move so far, but not the best daily chart. So 200 moving average all the way up to 921. Previous high 860. Few resistance here at 7. Resistance here at 6. So 556. This one's following the whole dollars pretty well on the daily. Morning Crypto Wire. Today is Friday. Today is party day. Today is you go out until 4 in the morning, come back and sleep in all day tomorrow. That is what today is. Just kidding, I'm not a partier. Do I got any big party people in here? Like every Friday, every Saturday you go out and do something? Okay, AIMD. This one looks better. Looks like pretty recent high at 375. Spiked up to 477 not too long ago on the daily. This one looks pretty good. It's already over the 200 moving average and it had been downtrending for a while. Has been downtrending for almost 2 months, looks like, and finally getting a pop today. So we'll see if this one wants to keep going. I'm actually going to put this one over here as one of my top ones. So I'm replacing this one, putting this one down here. And then putting AIMD. So AIMD, I think it looks pretty decent. How much time do we have? 5 minutes, 6 minutes still. And then ETSA was another one that John was calling out this morning. I think he said some of these were just failing. So it popped up to 186. This one has 200 moving average at 281. A couple of resistances here at 247. See another one down here, kind of $2. Okay, hold number. But pretty big pop today. It's giving it a lot back, so we'll see what happens. Those days are long gone for me. Crypto Wire, same AIMD, huge gap up. AIMD, huge gap up. Yeah, that's the one I like. That and it's holding it. It's holding it the best compared to the other ones. Trying to kind of flush here, but we'll see. LITM, even though I don't like the daily on this one, because to me it still looks pretty sold off. Like it's not even recovering some of these highs here. The 5 minute on this one's not looking too bad. Kieran, FXLB, and LITM. Yeah, I went over those already. So good morning, Hanish. Good morning, Blair. Good morning. So FXLB, I really don't like FXLB. This one had a daily gap to fill, and it already filled it. And so it filled it here, pulled back, and now it's trading between the gap. It's from 279 to like 330, and it's already trading in the gap. So I think that one, to me, it looks like it did what it needed to do. I get you guys' names confused because it's a Hanish and it's a Hassan. Like I look left and all I see is H-A-N. Hold on, I was gonna do something though. I was gonna do something. I don't know what I was gonna do. Oh, I'm gonna check this. Oh, they actually did fix it. Good morning, Urban Trades. Good morning, Mersa. I got 3 minutes. I might be able to do this real quick. Hold on. I might be able to answer what platform I trade on another 50 times today. They had removed my go live access on TikTok because apparently I was showing inappropriate stuff. You know, they just find every little reason to ruin my TikTok. Hey Juan, do you trade crypto? Yeah, it said I was either talking or saying or showing inappropriate stuff. Like I don't even want to say the words in case it freaking picks up on stuff like that. But like sex and stuff and keep that thing in your pants, bro. Okay, I think I'm live over there already. I think that's all I had to do. Alright, so we got about 2 minutes until market opens. And I got AIMD on watch. LITM is pulling back pretty good so far. It looks like a nice 5 minute flag on that one, actually. So I am live on TikTok now. Alright, LITM, look at the 5 minute. Okay, yeah, that's exactly what Blair was just saying. Dude, I'm laughing right now. John. Urban Trades. Wow, Caps on again. Juan making movies on TikTok. The best question when we make the Juan is what platform you use, Juan. Did for real. Good morning, your trader. I think I missed your comment. Morning, Urban Trades. Ride the Lightning. What's up on YouTube and Rome on YouTube? Anybody else on YouTube? We got 2 minutes until market opens. I got AIMD on top watch. LITM to me looks like a perfect flag-ish. Here we got a nice pivot down there at 206. So honestly, if LITM, if this was market open, the second this would dip down to that 206 area, even maybe $2 slightly quick spike down there, touching that ADMA, that would be a beautiful trade here. But it's the first market open, and sometimes some of these stocks open up like MOTS yesterday and just don't even see a green candle for the first 30 minutes. People on TikTok, I wasn't able to stream the last 2 or 3 days because for some reason it was removed. What's up, Rob Bellany? Gonna slap the 206 first minute candle. That I thought about this. I'm thinking about this. This first LITM 206 candle, any red opening on LITM might be a good dip buy. Alright, so we got 15 seconds left. We got LITM, AIMD, sober if it could recover, and then honestly the other gappers don't look the best, so I'm just gonna keep an eye on them. So 5 seconds here. Let's see if we get a quick spike and just get a quick trade here with ape trades. Let's see, let's see, let's see. Actually, it looks pretty good. It looks pretty good for the retest of VWAP or anything like that. I just want to see if it kind of flushes down a little bit. I hadn't taken a trade in the first minute of market open in a long time, but I don't know, man. I want to see that 206. Maybe that was. Oh my gosh, AIMD. I was not watching AIMD. 223 high. This thing already wants it. 211 kind of pivot there. Let's see if AIMD makes a very nice squeeze it open. 211 pivot. 20 seconds left on this candle. I was watching the other one the whole time, and then this one decides to. 5 seconds left on this candle. It's holding very well. No pullback at all. I was looking for 211. Wow, are you kidding me, man? That's unfortunate. Let's see if we hold 223, I guess, or even pull back to 211 still. Man, that sucks. Good morning, Sniper Trades. Oh my gosh, I see my YouTube channel going crazy. Hold on, give me a minute, guys. Man, I missed this trade. It looked strong. I wanted it to hold. I wanted it to bounce off 211, and it just went without me. Let's see if we get a nice little pullback here. Juan Trades, where's your YouTube channel? Link in bio on TikTok. I want to see if this gives us a nice 5-minute candle close here. 1, 2, 3, 2 more candles here. Gives a 1-minute pullback down to like 223, 211. But this stock doesn't pull back. It's doing the same thing ATXI did and be off like the first time. Dang, this thing is going. Netflix dropping 200, 215 today. I haven't looked at Netflix in a while. So, John, good morning over there. Sub from YouTube, just getting to know your channel. Damien, awesome. Let me know if you got any questions, Damien. Found you last week on TikTok. Awesome, man. Appreciate it. Rome, ATX still making higher lows. ATXI, sorry. So, here's a nice 1-minute candle. Pullback. Holding this one. Let's see if we get another one to hold or even dip down a little bit for us. And on this one, let's see if we can keep opening up on AIMD. You got some on that dip. I see LITM failed, but I'm kind of curious to see if this one just gives us a nice 5-minute candle close and then pulls back for us. Kind of a strong triple top up there too, so now we got that on watch. So looking 223 pivot, very close, but then besides that 211, maybe 217. But look at this nice 2-minute pullback candles, lower volume. This candle is going to close here and give us a new fresh 5-minute candle here. Let's see if we get a nice little bit of a dip. I don't want it to quadruple top though. I don't like that it's going already. I don't like that. I would have much rather it seen it pull back. I would have much rather seen it. ATXI, I gotta look at ATXI because Rome is calling it out over there. ATXI, I see it. It's got some room to recover still, but watching it. SOBR kind of trying to get back to that 2-3 pivot. Unfortunately, I have not taken a trade here on AIMD, but this looked pretty good at the gate. I wanted a retest of 211 down here, never got it, and this one I'm looking for the bigger pullback after that 5-minute candle close. Mr. B, my YouTube channel is on my Discord link, FXLB. Oh wow, the one that looked terrible. Let's see if AIMD pulls back enough. I missed that pivot there. Rome first trade green on ATXI. ATXI looking nice too. My main watch is still AIMD, sorry. I'm looking for this 229 on the daily. No, hold on. If you got this dip there, that was money. This 5-minute candle here has way less volume too. 235 is our new high too. Dang, I wish I would have sniped that one. I looked away as soon as that candle spiked there. FXLB looks like it's giving its volume back, or its move back. ATXI flow, I'm not sure. 720 to 810 on ATXI Rome. Good job, almost $1 a share there. No trades for me yet. Under 1 million float for ATXI. This one's gonna go again. It wants to. This was a dip, man. This was a dip right there. 215. ATXI holding that nice 5-minute candle pretty good as well. So I might have to look at ATXI here. Look at ATXI. The only thing is this one. Look at the daily. It looks so bad. This one looked like it wanted to squeeze 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it got eaten up all those 6 times. LITM kind of giving it all back. ILNQ definitely giving it all back. SOBR kind of as well. And then AIMD does not look like it's doing much up here. What's up, bro? What's up? You trust media on TikTok? I don't know that I trust AIMD anymore right here. I would have wanted this one to pull back. It might hit a new high here, but INM low volume right now, but halted up. INM. I'm gonna throw INM on my side chart. 8.5 high on INM and halted up. Good call there, Rome. Good job, good job. On INM, on AIMD. I want to see 5 minute candle close, and let's see if we get another 5 minute candle just to consolidate with low volume, pulls down, maybe back down to that 211 or something like that. And then see if we get an aim at 235 break or 250 break, half dollar. So this is a new 5 minute candle now. Let's see if we get another pullback double bottom down there at 215 ish. Guys, it's so funny. I posted that video yesterday of me with the white flag or whatever, that one trade. And it's so funny watching everybody become a professional day trader, guys. You guys have to go check out my TikTok. I posted on TikTok. It had like 25,000 views already. And literally every comment on that thing is like, oh, you're ignoring this wicks. Oh, you should have bought at the crossover of the EMAs. Oh, this is why I don't trade penny stocks. Oh, this is why you're gambling, or get a job or something like that. It's so funny. Like literally everybody was like, no, you should have bought that crossover. You should have bought like. He was like, did you not see the oh the ones that cracked me up the most were like, whole dollar resistances are tough to break. That's why you sell before them. And I was like, that's the whole point. I want to squeeze through the whole resistance. I'm going for the big play, not the tiny 5 cent scalp to $4. I'm going for the 410, 415, 430. Let's see, volume on this one's dying again here. Any kind of spike down, any kind of flush, I might be interested in picking up some shares. Holding that 223, very good. 223 is previous high, pre-market high. No one could have avoided that. And then some people that had no idea what I was doing, they were like, I love watching day traders get burned, or I love watching day traders lose money. And I was like, I didn't lose money. I see it. I see it. So switching to a cash account. All right. Well, 223 would be pretty bad to lose, but I just want to see if I can catch a nice little flush and kind of do this again. Because look at that volume completely dying. ATXI is still flagging. ATXI is still flagging down here. Maybe this one wants another leg. What's up, Educativo? Somebody on YouTube, Dalton, took 190 out to 235 on AIMD. Good job, man. What value do you trade? I'm trading stocks. Or what do you mean value? As far as money, it depends on each trade. AIMD is consolidating this whole time. Is it letting the ADMA catch up? I see going. Give me a minute. I do see I going. I see going. So right now, the only play I'm looking at is AIMD. It's to see if we get a new high or a little pullback or something on this one. I'm waiting patiently. My fingertips are freezing though. Okay, 223 here. Let's see. I am kind of scared if we flush through 223 that we'll flush completely, but we'll see. Didn't pick up any shares there. I wanted 211 or 215, sorry. Kind of almost VWAP. 30 seconds left on this candle. Held pretty good. It's looking pretty. There goes ATXI. You son of a. Let's see if we get that dip down on this one. And I guess I could almost add down here a little bit. That was a small ad, share size ad. I wanted to see if we get the full pullback to view up. Well, ATXI, oh my gosh, we were calling that flag down there, man. Looking at downtrend break on this one, AIMD. Let's see if we get the downtrend break here and then get that move back up to 235. I bought the dip down there, have stop at break even, but I haven't sold any. I'm looking for the bigger push on this one. 1,500 shares is not. Oh my gosh, INM just resumed and instantly spiked like $1 a share. What is happening today? And then there goes FXLV again. I'm telling you, every stock that I trade is the one that doesn't make the big move. AIMD, let's see if we retest that 223. And then break out of this pattern. Wow, that completely turned around on me. So I lost 50 there. Looked like a low volume pullback and then just reversed. So I'm not that interested on it anymore. Rome, you got in on INM? That is crazy. Hey, that's a small loss for all of us. That's a small loss. I want to look at INM. Look at this. Does this move up to another high? Break of 9? This is a riskier play down here for sure, but and SOBR moving up to I want to see if INM still has buyers here for the break of 9. This is the daily level here, 832 almost. But I'm not seeing a lot of buyers on this one so far, so this is a riskier trade here, but don't see any buyers yet. You were up 100 at one point. I think I was up somewhere around there too. And then ATXI, I hesitated so many times. INM, I'm not liking it, honestly. Ugh. Were you looking at LITM pullback? LITM, see, this is one that just opened up and went red, and that's the one we were looking on the pullback. But AIMD is the one that we were looking at. ATXI, so this is a perfect example of a 5-minute flag. Here, pops up. The first red candle had less volume, but it just, on the 1-minute candles, you could see that volume completely died, and then it just ripped. And this honestly might be setting up another one. Look at this. For the break and hold of 9, or 884, that was the daily level. This one honestly might be setting up another one. If we get another pullback here with low volume down to like 841-ish. Oh, actually, the 5-minute is getting stuffed though. You got in on INM at 6, man. Good job. 660 sold half at 820. That's a heck of a trade there. SOBR kind of popping up. So I have only taken one trade today. SOBR. 2-3 could be a pivot. 278 is our high on this one. And then 247 is our previous resistance. So I guess we're looking for 250 on this one. I'm adding on this one. I want to see the break of 250 on this one. That was a lot of volume that just came in right there. If it pulls back, I'll add a little more on this one. Bought that dip again. I'm looking for 250 on this one. Kind of chasing this. I don't see buyers now. I didn't see any buyers there. Let's see if we hold this pivot and new buyers come in. If not, I'm going to stop out real quick. Time and sales was completely red. Okay, there's a little bit of buyers there. Oh wow, AIMD just flushed. Yeah, this one popped up so well, and then it just no buyers at all. It was looking pretty good. This thing ripped up so well. I mean, 2-3 could be a pivot too. Yeah, I should have bought again at 2-3. I think this one 2-3 could be the pivot here. Let's see if we hold this, even maybe spike down a little bit. But I'm looking at 250 on this one. This volume here ripped so high right up to 247. I thought 250 would at least touch or break, and so I tried getting a small little bounce in there. FXLV, is FXLV setting up a flag? Ish. So I lost 100 on here. Small loss, small loss. Let's see if we get a 2-3 add again. AIMD kind of flush, but it kind of retracing that whole move. AIMD also has downtrend, guys, so stay on watch for this downtrend. Look at my chart real quick. Look at this downtrend. Wait till we get above it. Even if we get above it and above 223 at the same time, those will be both good. ATXI, I knew it was setting up another flag, dude. Am I just missing everything today? I called it right there. Gosh dang it. Hold on. ATXI's high is 11.12, and it's got that $10. Okay. Just look for the next trade. Just look for the next trade. It's okay. It's okay. So I missed 2 flags on ATXI. Would have been good returns. AIMD, I missed that pivot there. And so far, I am red on AIMD and red on Sober. But, you know, we look for the next trade. ATXI, if ATXI keeps that volume up, let's wait for a really nice healthy pullback on that one and see if we really spike up to $10 again, $11 again. Sober, I'm looking to see if we get up to 250 on Sober. Man, ATXI is going. Rome, you're killing it today if you jumped in on ATXI early and INM early. So ATXI 884 is a very nice pivot. If we pull down to 884, yeah, and 884 is that daily level again. If I get back to 884 on ATXI, I will probably add a little bit, and let's watch the trend line still. Well, there's that trend line like that. This is pretty steep. And this is going to be the last candle of the 5-minute time frame. So we will close the 5-minute candle and then make a new one. See if we get a pullback to 884. God, my fingers are freezing. Yeah, no, I know, Rome. I mean, I saw it and I saw the first flag, but at that point I was in another trade, so I didn't take it. And INM, I saw it too late when it was already halted up. But good job, bro. Good job. So 884 is his daily pivot on ATXI. What do I think about AIMD here? We gotta break this downtrend. I like to be in the stocks before they get overcrowded with bears. Yeah, the problem is, how do you know you're in the right stock? I don't know how you knew both of those. Good job, bro. I'll join 886 on ATXI. On AIMD, I'm waiting for that downtrend. I'll wait for that downtrend. On silver, looking for 250. Silver already got me once. 886 is VWAP on ATXI. Yeah. That is where I'm looking to add on this one too. ATXI, if I get the dip, great. If not, we're looking for almost break of 10. And then high on this one's like 11, 12, I think, on ATXI. Maybe this is where volume's going to come into, because silver is not doing anything. AIMD is kind of pulling back. 886 or 1001 entry on ATXI. So for me, pull back to 884 or dip of 958 retest here for the break of 10. Although this is pretty extended, so quick scalps here. For the breaker, or at least test of $10. I didn't get the full size because I never got the pullback all the way down. And it seems to be wanting to get stuffed. You could tell that wants $10, so either we rip or we get stuffed here. Last 5 seconds of this candle here. Green still through tape. There it is. Now let's see if we can get the move up to 210. Sold a little bit. Very small share size trade here, but I'm just looking for 10. I'll sell a little bit there. Let's see if we get the breakthrough 10. Man, ATXI is going straight up. Like, this thing needs to pull back or something. INM completely turned around. Does INM get a break of 10? Trying to hold 850 on INM. If we hold 850, get into another little bit of a breakout trade, we could see 9 on this one too. Pretty good volume on these candles here, back up. No, I don't know what this one wants to do either. I don't know if it wants to break of 9 or not. Let's see, I almost buying this dip. Almost. Does this dip hold on INM? Oh gosh, your thoughts on Bitcoin for today? I'm not trading Bitcoin. The broker that you're working on right now, please think or swim. No, that dip would have worked perfectly. Oh, I almost took that dip right there. Dang it. Okay, looking for $9 break. This thing is so close to it. 901 entry, I guess, for with only. Oh, actually, let's still anticipate it. Okay, what the heck is happening with this trade? Do we get an explosion? $16 profit. That was risky trade there. INM, man. If I took this dip here that I was looking at, Sober is dying. Do we take a dip trade down here on Sober? When did I start trading? 3 years ago. You're holding INM in case it goes parabolic. Well, you're still in a good trade. So it kind of been pretty scattered today. Not really clean trades, not really clean callouts. ATXI, we had a couple opportunities on this one. This thing needs a good pullback. It's been going up the whole time, but now we are thinking, hey, you got a high of $11 on the daily, 11.12 on the daily. That's what we're thinking now, right? That's what we're thinking on this one. Which one are you talking about, Alex, on YouTube? How long did it take you to become profitable? Hold on, ugly hammer on the $10 level. Oh, I see it. Yeah. Crypto wires up. Ape trades. How are you? Which one are you losing on? AIMD? INM was pretty sketchy. Missed a trade there. I almost sniped this dip here. Didn't push the button there. I dropped my share size to 1,000 on that, and it popped up to $9. So it would have been 80 cents there on 1,000 shares, but missed it. SLBR. Look at this. I just almost called this out right there too. I hesitated there. SLBR finally breaking downtrend. Let's see if this one makes that move up to 250 like I wanted it the first time. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I'm getting overwhelmed or what. Look at FXLV. We're not used to this momentum, guys. I'm not used to this momentum. FXLV looking at 351. This one's a little bit lagging still. It's got a big move to make still. You're not alone, bro. Like ATXI, no pullbacks, going straight up. INM so choppy, bouncing around. ATXI maybe looking at VWAP bounce, kind of this 916 level, maybe down to 9. ATXI pulling back here. Let's see if we can get some ads. It's not the big ad that I wanted. It's not the big ad that I wanted. I added more. I'm looking on ATXI, see if some of these walls keep breaking down. I want to see if ATXI makes a nice little pop reversal off of down here. First 5-minute candle to close red down to VWAP. Kind of holding that 916 level. Oh, I see a lot of red here. Careful, 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 careful. Hold this move, hold this move. I don't know if I'm adding in the right place or not, but let's see. If this flushes, could be a pretty bad trade if this holds. I also had that uptrend resistance right here, so I'm looking for ATXI bounce here. Come on, rip, 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 rip. Rip, rip, rip! Is this got room all the way to 11? No, 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 no. Please don't pull this BS. No, 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 no. Don't do this BS stuff. None of that today. None of that today. I've had enough today. Rip. I'm trying to be so patient, guys. I'm trying to be so patient, but... Ugh. I'll be patient with 500 shares because this stock might go up to 11. Come on, just pull through 954 and you squeeze up to 10 real quick. There we go right here. Where's the wall at? 12, 12, 15, 12, 4. Cracked. Next wall, next wall. Bro, I don't know what to do, guys. I don't know what to do. This thing won't open up. I don't want to give back $200 of profit here. That puts me green. That puts me green, and I made the right decision. Alright, SOBR, looking at the 250 break again. SOBR, 247 break, 250 break. This is the one that got me early. This candle's about to close here, though. Let's see if we get a nice little micro pullback and then break up 250. I'm going to get you this time, though. Break up 250 hasn't broken yet. I'm going to get you this time, though. Watch. No, SOBR, come on. You can't do this to me. You can't do this to me twice. You can't do this to me twice. You're going to do it to me twice, you piece of crap. Bet you're not, though. Bet you're not, though. 250. Come on, just tap 250. There we go. There we go. Sell a little bit on that pop. Have 500 shares left. And give me that. There's the 250. I told you I was going to get you this time. I told you I was going to get you this time. So close, so close, so close, so close, so close. 250. Selling 250. 300 shares left. There's the spike to 250. I told you I was going to get you this time. You're mine. You're mine this time. You're mine. $250 bounce. Next squeeze. 255 incoming. 255 incoming. Big wall at 252, 24, 26, not cracking, cracked a little bit. 255 incoming, 254, 254, 254. 90 orders, 80 orders, 60 orders, 67, 57. There's 255. Sell at 255. 256. Told you you're mine. See, homie. And just like that, back to a green day. Oh my gosh, why do I always do this BS, man? It just freaking squeezed as soon as I decide to sell. Think or Swim is a platform. TD Ameritrade is the broker. Oh my gosh, look at this thing. Okay, next high on this one is the daily pivot from 2 days ago, which is 278. So 278. Can we get 278 on this one? How long did it take me to become profitable? That's a iffy question because I mean I never really know the correct answer. I learned for 7 to 8 months, 6 to 8 months, just learning YouTube videos, looked at the platform, all that stuff, and then when I started opening my account, I almost went straight into real money, and I mean I had big losses in the beginning, where I was like, okay, that just erased all my profits. But then I decided to eventually do it the right way, almost immediately, like make $10 a day, $10 a day, $15 a day, and then go up to 20 to 50 to 100. And I mean, I was profitable in the first 2 3 months. But now I'm not saying I was profitable in making um $1,000 a month, right? I was profitable in making $2,000 a week. I wasn't. I was profitable making $10 a day, $5 a day, barely even and stuff. But I was able to quickly scale it up. Let's see if SOBR makes a nice little healthy pullback down to 250. And ATXI nailed the trade there. I don't know if you guys were able to take that one there, but started averaging there, average there, average there. Got that nice pop, almost $400 on that trade. I think I was up 470, 480 to the top of this. But I was looking for this thing to open up all the way up to 10, all the way up to 10, all the way up to 5. Honestly, it's even looking like a nice pull. Oh, this is 884 right here. That daily level, the 884 on ATXI, and that's where the ADMA is. So I don't expect to be big today, but coming back from a pretty crappy day. I mean, I missed a lot of trades that I was calling them out left and right. I was like, this trade here, missed it, ripped. ATXI second flight, call it out, didn't take it, ripped. Yeah, I'm up $200 on the day. Ugh. ATXI volume down here. AIMD curled. Okay, AIMD curled. Looking to hold VWAP on that one. ATXI getting close to a setup on the 5 minute, and that's the 884. Sober is the one that if it pulls back to like 250 as well, that one could go up to that 278 high of 2 3 days ago or something like that. ATXI 3 5 red minute candles here, low volume pullback on all of these. And then 884 is also a pivot. And then ATXI, we will be looking for a downtrend break right here too. Was trying to nail another dip here on ATXI, got out break even, but I want to see that 884 hold. It's a daily level. 3 5 minute candles pulling back with very low volume. What are you trading there? Stocks. GBP USD? No, I don't trade Forex. What a W. Thanks, man. Oh, sorry. I thought that was the same comment. My bad. Nice trade, JJSR. Appreciate it. Is getting a Photo. What are you saying, Ride the Lightning? Are you kidding me, ATXI? This is the luck that I'm talking about. I just got back in here. Oh my goodness. I got paper hands today. My hands are looking like Lang today, bro. Lang, is the Dipperuski in here? Dipperuski. Oh, I think he might have actually commented. Oh, there he is. I was gonna say, I think he might have actually commented he was busy doing work this morning, but I think that was pre-market only. ATXI, break a downtrend here. Let's see if we retest that 954 again. So I'm looking for dips now on ATXI. Let's see if we kind of reclaim VWAP, retest VWAP here. AIMD looks like got back up to VWAP and unfortunately couldn't hold it, so it's flushing through. ATXI, man, ATXI. Did you start over PDT? I did not, but I mean, once the first day, like first week of trading, I was like, oh my god, I only put $300 in or whatever, and I made $10 or something like that. I was like, you know what, I'm getting over PDT, so I did put enough money to get over PDT. Yes. It was a joke, bro. Oh, I missed a comment earlier, so I'm sorry, man. How is everybody doing on chat? I think the only one I know is Ape Trade said he was getting F today. Is that true, Ape Trades, or are you coming back? Lang, how are you doing? Educativo, I see you. John, are you shorting anything? You going long anything? No trades for you yet? Okay. Small red there for Mersa. It's not bad, Mersa. It's not bad. ATXI pulling down to VWAP pretty aggressively. ATXI done. AIMD done. Down 2 cents, 5 trades. Nice. Traded a lot but breaking even. I took LITM this morning, scratch trade, and then I went over to SOBR and I think I lost 150. The second time I played this one, I didn't play it as aggressive. But this one's still flagging. Look at this one. If you go green today, you'll have a completely green month. SOBR is still flagging. And this, if you get a nice little dip, a little pullback here to 250 or something, this one might be good. What is that? It's stocks. Looking for that 278 daily level. It's already trying to go. SOBR already looking for that 278. You know there's going to be shorts there at 278. So let's keep an eye here. And then all-time highs on this one recently is 337. No, 278. Oh, wait. No, 278 is that one. 337 on the daily, yeah. On the last 5 days is 278. Do we get a little dip here, maybe? I got that dip there. Looking for 278. Stop at break even. Do we get past this wall? There we go. Did we get 278? Do we put in a new high? Did we put in a new high? 278 is all I'm looking for. 278 is all I'm looking for. It will show the little animation of a new high, and that's what I'm looking for. $20 seconds left. Let's see volume increase in those last 20 seconds. There we go. There we go. There we go. It's gonna bust. There it is. So couldn't continue though. Watching for this candle to dip, and I'm gonna put my stop right under it. and see if I get the next leg up again to 278. There it is. $278 is going to be tough to break. Break and hold, sorry. But this thing might go into another squeeze, kind of it did here. This thing might go into another one. Hello, how are we doing today? Pretty good. Red to green so far. Red to green. I've made the... Man, missed a lot of opportunities, but somehow making it work today. This is a little bit of a better day, man. There's now 1250. Sniper trades down 1250. Sniper trades. I don't remember the last time you were red, bro. I don't remember the last time you were red, so that's a small red day for you. That's either a 1 day or a 2 day recovery, and you got it. Alrighty. Now I'm probably up almost $300 maybe. Not a big green day, but for a lot of missed opportunities and being red first, I will take it. Up to 310. $310 so far. Small green day, but let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's see. Where did I trade this one? See, I mean, I missed the dip, even have an arrow there. That's the one I was looking for. Got burned there. That's my red trade. Made it back here. Kind of missed all this flag, honestly. Trying to get the dips in here for that next grow. I kind of chased it there. ATXI, I think I did a good job on ATXI buying the dips. I missed this one, I called it out, but I was looking for a little more, so I didn't get that one. This one right here, picture perfect, pivot there, 2 candles down, low volume, ripped later on again. I was again looking for the bigger pullback, never happened. This trade right here is what made the difference today. Look at these ads perfectly down here. Added. I was up almost 500 just on this trade, and this is decent size for this stock. So if this thing would have ripped here, I think I had 1,500 shares, 1,000 shares left. 1,000 shares left from 920s up to 10, $700. Goes past 10, $1,000 trade there. INM VWAP bounce. Did Ape Traits leave? I never saw him reply again. What did the other ones do? FXLV, nothing there. LITM, nothing there. Oh, yesterday, guys, we gotta be on watch for this. IMVT, Zach. Zach, you were calling this one out yesterday. I think you took a trade somewhere in here. Guys, we should have realized this was an easy to borrow one on Thinkorswim. You would have been able to short this one. I don't know why none of us saw it and tried it. This would have been the easiest short. Easy uptrend. Ready for the break of uptrend, and then look, that's your reshort entry right there. Would have been a price of 610 ish, all the way down to 520s. Could have been a nice trade. Could have been a nice short, or at least try the short. What else am I looking at right now? Broker, TD Ameritrade. No, I'm not trading gold. I'm not looking at gold. What am I looking at? SOBR could still put in another high to $3, but let's keep watching this one. All of my 4 flushes were down to my stop and reverse too. Lang, where did you take these trades? Like up here, like breakout trades, or you're buying dips? Sniper trades, bit of both. Okay. SOBR is still holding uptrend or a slight uptrend up here with these little bit of moves here. Sweating over here. 277 breakout and stop at 266. Oh. Yeah, that's why I try to anticipate some of these moves, especially when they're so extended already. Like if it's up pretty good on the day, I'll try to just take a trade anticipating that break. So I'll take it early and then I'll sell at that break. And that's what a lot of people are doing. Like the big guys are buying here. You still get clean breakouts every once in a while, and those guys are still holding for the big leg up, but they're adding here and they're starting to sell there, sell, you know. Somebody put L because I didn't look at gold. Yeah, but you can't make money. But you can make money off a 2-cent move. Yeah. No, there's nothing wrong with that. There's nothing wrong with buying the breakout. The thing is, on here, you're looking at a 2-cent move and the big flush. Here, you're looking at a little bit of a less flush, more return. So kind of 50-50 where I bought here, 50 there, as opposed to here, 2-3 cents here, unless it breaks out, or 70 cents down. But it's okay, it's okay. I keep trying to get breakouts for decent profit and everything breaks for 2 cents and flushes. Your share size protects you so you can just grab 2 cents and make 500. I can't. Well, let me see. But still, my trades are... Let me show you. Because I know I get that a lot of the times where people are like, you know, you could take such a big trade and just make 2 cents and that's your day. But, I mean, if it flushes 10 cents and that's triple, quadruple my loss, right? But, like, see this one, 243 I bought, selling 246, that's 3 cents there. But then I left some of them, actually, no, more. 243, 245, 2 cents, 47, 4 cents, 49, 8, 7 cents, 51, 9 cents, 55, 10 cents. So 10 cents is usually what I'm looking to make. Here, this was a quick scalp. See, I took it early, 268 to 278. That's 10 cents there. 276, 10 cents. I'm not making 2-cent moves, 3-cent moves. That's a 10-cent move there. This one was a red trade. And then I would compare ATXI, but this one's going to be bigger. So bought 930, sold 950, sold 943, so 10 cents there. And then this one down here, scratch trade. Breakout trade here. This breakout trade for the break of 10. Bought 972, and I am selling 972, selling 986 over 10 cents, 994 over 20 cents, 984 over 10 cents. And then which other one did I trade? So I know what you're saying, Lang, and I understand that. There's a lot of people, especially if you see other traders that are true scalpers, they really make their money off of 1-2 pennies. But that's because the moment they buy, they're expecting it to go green and take it off the table immediately. They don't see a red trade and handle it a little bit. I kind of mess around with them slightly. Kind of wait on them, kind of if it goes a little bit against me like ATXI, I know where my pivot is. I know where the dip buy is, so I bought it there. Pulled down on me a little bit, added a more. Pulled down a little bit, added more. That was a pivot there. And then, boom, explodes $400. Now, if the move fails, I'm out. You know, I always say this. And it's so important. Because beginner traders make this mistake all the time. That's why I say don't backhold this. If you jump into a trade for the break of 10 and the break of 10 doesn't happen, get out. If you jump into a trade for the break of 278 doesn't happen, get out. Perfect example here. I got in here on SOBR. And I know this is like simple stuff, but I know a lot of you guys may not realize that, may not be in it, you know. Here on this trade, SOBR, pulls up, rips, really good volume, starts pulling back. I added, and then I was looking for this two candles to hold, so I added again, and I'm looking for this candle to for this candle to recover, and then the next 1 minute candle to make that new high through 250, 247, 250. So it kind of pops up, dips, get the dip, candle retraces, next candle forms, makes the next one. This candle closed low, and this one spawned. I'm out. Because why? I was looking for this candle to close high, this next one to make the next move, looking for 247, 250. Doesn't happen, I don't care. I'm out. You know, that was a breakout trade. If the breakout trade doesn't happen, I'm out. This wasn't a dip entry. Yeah, it actually would have worked. I probably would have gone back into green, but I don't care at that point because this one would have worked. The next one the next one I take will do this. We'll do that. Frick, I messed up my sizing and now it's gonna bother me. So I was out on that one. I see AIMD still trying to curl up. ATXI also still trying to curl up. Yeah, I understand that, Lang. I understand. It's tough, man. It's tough, but trust me, it'll be worth it. Keep learning, keep learning. Try to. I don't know that I want to trade CCL though. I think they have a huge float. Wait, they're not even up. Try to keep going your account, and even if you break even or don't make money trading, um, save on the side. You know, guys, save $100 a month if you can, $50 a week, something like that. Just save what you can and try to just get your account over PDT rule. The second you get your account over PDT rule, is game over. Um, but then obviously don't get over PDT rule and go all crazy and lose it. You know, get over PDT rule and for a day or two while you keep saving, maybe give you $1,000 cushion, $500 cushion, trade $5, $10 a day, $50 a day. You know. Maybe the 5 minute flags will be a little better. Something you can hold for longer. Here goes SOBR again. Here goes SOBR again, back up to 278. There's going to be shorts here, left, right, up, and down. ATXI kind of curling. Blair just called ATXI. ATXI 954 will be a nice pivot. INM kind of holding $8, but INM is a stock that unless you're breaking out or making higher highs, I'll trade it because the volume on that one's kind of iffy. ATXI will definitely be a little bit more interested in. Do you have any rules for your port allocation? No. I don't trade anything. Like, I mean, it just resets margin. My boy Juan, let's make this money. What's up, Rodrigo? Hey, stopped in real quick. Took the trend break on SOBR for 23 cents. Nice, Rob. Nice. How do you draw those pivot lines? Curious. Pivot lines. Like literally, how do I draw them with my Thinkorswim application, or like how like as far as the levels? Blair's back in the green. ATXI is, oh, never mind. The 5 minute candle looked so good, and then I looked and it's getting four green 1 minute candles getting stuffed. Robin He on YouTube. Now would be a good time to insert ads. No. Sober could be looking at $3. 337, and this one's got a lot of room to the 200 moving average, up to 469. I doubt we'll get there, but levels. Most of them are going to be maybe dailies. Most of them are going to be dailies, half and whole dollars. And then if not, then just looking at the 5 minutes or just the 1 minute, see exactly where I see a lot of the resistance. So let's look at ATXI. So ATXI, for example, here $10, that's a whole dollar number, right? So holding 954. I honestly don't know why I have 954. I guess it should be 950. And you could see how 950 is holding anyways. So here 950, you see, gets stuck, pulls back, rips, support, pulls through, resistance, pulls down, resistance, pulls down, resistance, pulls down. So that's a psychological number. Now here, the next one, if I put it at 9, it also works. So it's going to be really close, especially with a stock that's this volatile, right? You get $9 and then 8.84, 20 cents below. It's almost the same thing. But $9 there, you can see a lot of wicks respecting it here. Bounce off a 9, rips under 9, bounces off a 9 there. But what I was looking at here, 8.84, it was just a daily. If you look at the daily, I know I got a lot of charts here. This spike right here, it put in a high that day, and the high was 8.84. So I just marked that line there on the daily chart. I think you can see it right next to my camera, 8.84. And so if you follow that line all the way until today, that's this line right here, 8.84. And that's why I was looking for that daily pivot to hold there at 8.84 and retrace. As a matter of fact, why didn't I take it again? Oh, I took it the first time down there. Why didn't I look down here again? Too much chatting, not much trading. Too much chatting, no, not much trading. Yeah, no problem, Robin. You guys, let me know if you guys have any questions. Any questions? Yeah, I don't know that I'm seeing anything. I don't know if I took any more trades, so let me import my results and see where I'm sitting at. Small day, but from going red to green, I'll take it. And end of September, you know. Yeah, still $310. So I was down almost max of 200 and made it all back up to 300. So I've made back $500 back, which I'm happy with. I'm happy with. TikTok people, you guys have any questions? By the way, TikTok, I don't know if you guys are here from my previous live streams. I do this every day now on TikTok. I'm streaming live on TikTok, so if you guys have any questions or want to see me trade live, you guys can come in here on TikTok and watch me do that. If for some reason I am not live on TikTok, it's either one of two things. My account got suspended or my live streaming got suspended. So if that happens and you guys want to watch and I'm not live on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube and I'm live on tradecaster.com, and they're both free as well. So if you guys want to do that instead, you can. But as long as I can, I will keep streaming on TikTok. Bravo, thank you. Can't wait to come and learn again. Yep. And if you guys are interested in learning the whole process, if you're a beginner and want to have everything step by step, I do have a course in the bio on my TikTok page. If you guys are interested, I'll give you guys a big discount. So type in 150 off for that course. So in the checkout page, type in 150 off and you'll get $150 off. And you literally get from complete beginner, what is the stock, how does the stock move, candles, all that stuff, all the way to strategies and everything you need. So you guys can do that. And obviously, it's going to be full mentorship as well. So any questions you guys have, I'll be there to help you set up platform, look at your trades, ask any questions or anything like that. You get put into a private Discord, so I know you're in the course and you have my priority. So anybody on YouTube, on TikTok, on Tradecaster. I was looking at ATXI again, but well, dang. Were you in that trade, Lang? So BR 5 minutes. Dang, I hope Lang wasn't in there. But let's see. Why buying here though? Can't do 5-second trades. Hold on, I gotta see. Lang, my other suggestion is do what Ape Traits did. He had that red month in August of nothing but red traits, and then September completely flipped around and was mostly green. But the difference was one simple: start buying the dips, right? Red candles down. Don't buy after dips. Try to chase the dip because at that point it might not bounce. But two, really just focus. SOBR 5 minute flag. Yeah, I could see it. Just really focus on the A quality setups, especially if you don't have that many trades, right? Like anybody in Canada know any commission free brokers? Dude, I have no idea. Focus on the quality trades. So for ATXI, you kind of had this nice uptrend here, broke it, right? And now I'm looking for the next downtrend break right there. I'm not going to be buying right into the top of it. Look at it. Right? You see that? Or even a bigger downtrend here, a big an uptrend here. Look at that. You're buying the peak. That's not a quality setup. And I'm not calling you out to be like, oh, you're dumb or whatever, you know. Like I'm here to help you, and I if you need help, let me know. If you need any extra help, want to talk, DM me, man. But focus on the quality setups. On the quality setups. That's a quality setup. This one's okay. This one's okay. I didn't take them. This was a good quality setup. Right there, bounce of 884, and then trend line. Well, I guess you wouldn't have known that trend line, but daily level. That's an A setup. That right there, not so much. You're buying the peak of the pennant, right? If that's what you are in. Good job, Blair. Yeah, anybody in Canada know like free commission broker? I got somebody asking on Tradecaster. SOBR, did you get in on that one, Mersa? Good job, Mersa. Good job. SOBR is holding. I was too scared to hold it though. I didn't get on it. What tips would you suggest to build up a small cash account? I've been making small profits but having trouble with exits because I only have a set amount of money to trade with a day. Not wanting to exit when I should because I know it's my only trade. Yeah, I understand that. You can leave runners. Just maybe for me, I would leave 30, 40, maybe even 50% sometimes for runners. But if you're in a cash account, maybe it's easier to take small hits and lock in that profit. Small hits and lock in that profit. Small hits and lock in that profit. Leave 10% of your runners. But if you leave 10% of your runners, at that point, almost leave 10% of your runners at break even. Don't even leave it up a little bit where you're like, oh, if it comes down, I'll make an extra $5, you know? No, leave it break even and see if one of these days you get one of the stocks to go $2, $3, $4, you know? If you have 10 shares or something like that and make an extra $50, you're like, that's not a lot, but that's a decent profit for a small account, depending on what you're at, right? So I would take small hits, take your profit, and if you want to leave runners, leave small, small, small. Not like 30%, 40% that I leave. Leave 10%, 5%, 15%. Also, depending on what kind of setup it is, you know which ones are gonna do good. Like if I buy here, If I'm buying here, I know just take the profit, right? Don't leave runners there. If I buy here, okay, that's a good dip entry. That's a 5 minute flag. That's a good pivot there. Take that trade there. Leave those runners on that one, right? So also again, kind of basing it out of what trade are you in? How positive do you think it is? Where it's at on the stock on the day? Is it already extended? Don't leave runners. If it's early in the day, you see room on the daily, you got room on the 200 moving average, stuff like that. Let it go. How much do I make in a month? I mean, make. Hmm. How much do I make in a month? Sniper trades. Calling it here. Exceeded his max loss. Negative 1500. Taking Monday offs. Alright, Sniper trades. You take care, man. See you on Tuesday. Tough day today, but you'll be back, man. You'll be back. So good job. That is just one small red day for you. You got it. Sober? Yeah, I don't know either, man. I've been watching this one right now. So somebody on TikTok said they have a small account as well, and they take profits pretty fast as well because it adds up, and they're still learning. Do I live from trading? Yeah. Hablo español, sí. How much do I make in a month? Enough to make this a full-time job with 2-3 hours a day. 2 hours a day. I think most of my streams are done at 2 hours 20 minutes. ATXI potential ATXH sorry ATHX. Low volume daily is okay. And then you also mentioned ABOS. The ABOS daily kind of extended, but it is still holding some levels. Maybe I'm stubborn, but if you're making $5 a day, that isn't worth it. Yeah. It's tough, man. It's tough. I understand. Um, another thing, Lang, if I don't know if you would be up for that, um, try CMEG. You know, it could be another option. You don't have to worry about settle fees. You don't have to worry about a certain amount of trades. Um, all you got to worry about is commissions, which you're not used to, but that might be a balance of, hey, maybe I can take the trade and mentally I know I don't have to stop out. I don't have to take my profit real quick or whatever. As long as I make $2, $3, $5 on each trade or whatever the commissions are, then you're breaking even. You're breaking even, you know. And then if you get that one good trade and you can keep trading or the same day or something like that, as long as you cover your fees, you'll still be making more profit. You know, it might not be it might be worth something trying there. AIMD setting up to run again. Trading is my main income, yeah. The three moving averages, I got VWAP, which is the purple. VWAP purple, white is 20, 9 is blue is 9. Take it slow, Blair. Take it slow, but you got it, man. I'm not seeing anything else moving now. Momentum scanners are dry. I missed a lot of good trades today, though. I will say that. FNGR. FNGR still has not touched the 200 moving average. Closer up to 247, 250. Insane Drummer 89. You got chopped up in the market today. Oh well. What did you trade? Small caps, large caps? Insane Drummer. CryptoWire paper 330. Have a good weekend, everybody. Oh, today's Friday. I forgot today's Party Friday. Yeah, it has to be tough for sure. I saved up a lot to be over PDT rule. Lang, that's another thing. Lang, how long have you been trading, Lang? Lang, how long have you been trading? Yeah, good job. Somebody gave CryptoWire a little fire emoji. Let's all do that for CryptoWire. On and off for a few years. My other thing is this, and I know one guy that did this. Guy, no money, right? Looks into trading, is like, oh my god, this is legit, you know? Learn trading and do it for a year consistently. Like, just do it for a year, SPY every day. Awesome, awesome. What were you doing on SPY? Trying to short it a little bit more? Um, my other suggestion, obviously, nobody's gonna want to do this, but if you're serious about trading and you want to make this work, this is your other suggestion, right? Learn trading. If you have a small cash account, just keep trading your cash account, but do this for a year and just learn, learn, learn. Pay your fees to learn. But on the side, if you have time, just save money. Find an extra job. Just go do something. Go do Uber Eats. Go do, something like that that gives you an extra 50, 100, 200, $300 a month or something like that. And just save, 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 save. I know one guy who was not over PDT real, who did not have money, learned for a year and a half, maybe even 2 years, and saved for so long. He wanted this thing. He wasn't even profitable for a year and a half on the sim. He traded for a year and a half on sim, was not profitable, but got over PDT rule, started trading small share size like Blair, literally making 30 cents, 30 cents, 50 cents, 1 cent. And in his mind, it wasn't 50 cents. His mind, it was $50. It wasn't 50 cents. It was $500. It wasn't 50 cents. It's going to be $5,000, you know? And eventually, now they're killing it. They're killing it. I want to learn. You're in the right place to learn. What you got? I appreciate the advice I do, but I have heard and applied it all. I have a full-time job and do this on the side. Been trading the daily for 8 hours plus a day for 6 months now, and I'm down 5K. MRSA. MRSA also 2 years to be profitable. Good job, MRSA. Does that me helping you out, MRSA, the last 3 months you trading with me? 3 years for you guys. Another thing, guys, I mean, and this goes back, which you guys are not gonna like this. Trading is not the career you pick up and go profitable in a year or 2 years. I would sometimes even say either you go to college for 4 years and pay $50,000 in tuition and you get your degree, or you do day trading and pay less every year, but do it for 2, 3 years, even 4 years, the same time that you would do to college, and then see if after 3, 4 years you're profitable. You know, but obviously two big things there. And you're also in a tough market, Lang. You're also in a tough market. Let's not forget about that. Let's not forget about that. So you helped as well. Seeing somebody actually make money live shows that it's possible. Gives people hope. Holy crap! A lot of you guys been trading 2, 3 years as well. Blair 11 months. Lang, take a little bit of break, man. Take a little break then. If it's that a little bit of frustrating, take a little break. You know, a week, 2 weeks. If you have a full time job and you're still able to trade from home, it's not something you're rushing, right? It's not something, oh, I gotta do this to be successful. Just take a week break, take a 2 week break, and come back, fresh mind, fresh mind. AVCT. And Lang, if you want, man, record your trades and send them to me. I'll see what you're doing. I'll see where you're buying, how fast or slow you're buying. You know, send them and send them to me. I'll take a look at them. The last time we went over that level 2 helps. SPX for the first time. What's up, Deckmark? Oh, here we go. All his people coming over. But yeah, Lang, if you got any questions, man, if you want to see my goal this week and learn everything to know about. Hold on. Or, guys, you can do options. Yeah, yeah, record some and send them to me, and then I'll see what I can help you with. As a beginner with the capital to go over PDT rule, would you say with small cash account and try to build and learn, or would you go over PDT rule and continue to learn that way? Oh, Mike Blanco, that's an easy question, man. If you have the capital enough to go over PDT rule, go over PDT rule. But be disciplined, man. This is the tough part. Just because you have 25,000 in there doesn't mean you have to use 25,000 in there. You know, put 25,000 in there and use 500. That's it. Or use 500 and still make $1 a day, $5 a day, $10 a day. But you don't have to worry about everything else. If you're not suffering with money and you have 25K available, ATXI overview up. Just get yourself over that. As long as you're also not like if you don't need the money. ATXI curling back up again. How does the volume look this time? A little good out of nowhere. Billing in this tough market, I'm always saying I'll be killing it when it goes back to before, yeah. Bro, I'm calling out IC. IC has a high of like $20, so you might be looking at. Oh, it's kind of a little far away from that. Yeah, Mike. If any of you guys have, I mean, plenty of money and you can go over PDT rule, I would suggest go over PDT rule, but just don't use the money. Just use 500, 100. Just use it to trade unlimited. Don't use it to trade all of it. Oh, Ducativo, that's awesome, man. I just read all of your message. That's awesome. ATXI, ATXI could still be setting up pretty good. This 5 minute candle, we need a little bit more volume though. We got 2 minutes left here. This 5 minute candle here is sitting at, oh, I can't see it because it's covered. But we're looking at $10 break on ATXI and we're looking for 11. 11.12 is the all-time high recently. Holy crap. Do we go for FNGR? No, this is a pretty low volume stock here. The only thing I would look for that one if you're gonna keep trading, I mean, you could find a good setup on it up to 247, 250. That's the 200 moving average up there. But ATXI is the stock to look for. On and off 2 years for Insane Drummer. Good job, man. You gotta trust the process, people. You gotta trust the process. Juan, también diles que tener un max loss por día es demasiado importante. Saludos, bro. ¿Qué pasó, Rolex? What's up, man? Rolex on YouTube wanted me to point out as well that having a max loss day is very important. And it really is, you know. You're going to have days where you blow up, but if you can just walk away and keep that blow up small, you'll really, really, really help your account in the long term. ATXI would not be opposed to dip trades. But why am I looking for dip trades now, Lang? Break of downtrend, right? Break of downtrend. Now I'm on the other side. Now I'm looking for this thing to start holding up trend. And I see volume on the buyer side, so there's still people here. Juan is on a different level. He is a beast. A beast. I think I called myself a beast the other day when I nailed the trade. I'm the GOAT. Man, Sean, you should have seen my trade yesterday. I waved the white flag, man. I gave up. On a stock, I gave up. I don't know if he's still here or not. I'm out of cap, so it's all you. Oh, capital, yeah. I want to see if we get a little flush down to VWAP or something like that. Hit the ADMA, low volume pullback, and see if this one wants to keep squeezing for us. You see buyers are stepping in right there. That was funny and sad at the same time. Dude, TikTok people, so many people thought I lost my account on that trade for some reason. Like, they were like, oh, I love watching day traders get burned. Oh, I love when they lose money. I was like, dude, I didn't lose money. People just have no idea, man. And I know I said this earlier too, but in case you guys missed it, like I posted that trade on TikTok and everywhere and stuff, and out of nowhere, everybody's a professional day trader, bro. Everybody's like, dude, you should have bought here, you should have bought the crossover, you should have looked at all those upper wicks. Dang it, I missed that dip there. Dude, look at this. Missed that dip. I knew it. I knew it. $10 break? Squeezing shorts like crazy. 30 seconds left on this candle. I don't know that I like that. I don't want to see this is good volume though. I want to see $10 break. Holding very well, so I might have to take a stab and just risk it a little bit. Candle's about to close. Let's see if we can get the ad. Let's see if we get the break of 10, hold 10, and then get a nice push. No, that's so dumb. That fill was so dumb. I could not get the fill where I wanted it to. I tried buying the dip and it filled me so low. I mean so high. I mistimed it. Let's see if we get another little pullback, low volume pullback. Or just rip. I don't remember what my profit was on this trade before. 5 seconds left on this candle. Let's see if we get a small little pullback. I want to see the rip through 11. Small pullback here. Pivot down to 962. Let's see. So I'm going to fully get out and see if I can get a lower entry. Even 950 retest. Even 950 retest. So I was up on this one 336. I'm up 335. So scratch trade, man. This was a nice dip down there. So I'm looking for the $10 rip through $10. Bro, what is target? $10. And if we get a nice pull away on this one, I'm looking at 11. But I wanted a pullback here. This is a weak volume on a green candle. So let's just let this close. Let it pull back a little bit more. Let's see if we get a trade down at 950 on this one. Kind of a pivot. See if we got a nice 5-minute flag. So this 5-minute candle just started. So we could get a pullback down to 9.6, maybe 9.50. No, come on, man. Pull back, pull back. No, 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 you turd. Previous high, $10. But we also have this spike over here at 10.19. Mersa got this one over here. That first one. Yeah, switch to paper, Lang. Switch to paper, bro. Get the experience. Get the practice. 934 fill. Good job, Mersa. Almost a $70 gain right there, Mersa. Well, I knew 950, but this spiked down so fast, I don't know if I would have gotten it filled unless I had my order there, and I'm not a fan of leaving orders there. Mersa on another level. I want to see if we tip 950 again. This is, but we got stuffed at top a little bit. Good job, Mersa. Good job. What do you use for paper trade? I don't paper trade. But if you want to paper trade, just open a TD account, TD Ameritrade broker account, and you can use paper trading with them. John is in 972. Okay, pretty close here, pretty close. Not a bad price if this thing ends up flagging and going for a next leg. But I'm looking for the next leg down here. Nice little pullback and then rip. We'll see. We're kind of a small little uptrend here. A little bit of red volume there, but nothing is happening. Pretty bad fill with spreads there, I'm guessing. So we're kind of breaking under this downtrend, so I'm not liking this as much. A lot of green on tape there. Let's see if I want to stop out of that break-even trade. I'm going to delete this one here because I don't know that I like it. Let me look for 950. 950 is what I'm looking for. This is the last candle here on this 5-minute time frame as well. You haven't liked this since it collapsed 4 minutes ago? This one? But volume is straight up dying. I want to catch the pullback down to 950. I just need to know that buyers are going to come in. Here's gonna be a new. How is that possible? I was getting ready to buy 950 there, and this candle spawned higher. I don't know how that happened. Let's see if we get a, yep, a squeeze of sellers. Break of 10 again. 15 seconds left on this candle here. Seven seconds here left. I'm in here at 10, right under 10, looking to see if 10 holds this 1 minute candle and then get the next candle to squeeze a tiny little bit. A lot of sellers at 10. This is a breakout trade, so a little iffy here. But here's the last 5 seconds. Let's see if we get the move back up. This candle's got to do it. Break through 10 here. Breakthrough 10 here. 999, 17 orders there. I'm going to descale. Not breaking, so I'm descaling. Cut it out there. Lost like 50 bucks. Let's see if we get a pullback. I just want to see if we get one squeeze through 10. One last play for me. Made some more on that. Good job, Blair. I'm just trying to catch a dip here and see if we get that candle to explode through $10. Don't do it without me, though. Don't do it without me. No, 10 is pretty strong. If this thing goes, it's going to pop up 10, 20, 30 cents in one candle again. If this thing goes, it's going to do it all again. What is that candle's high? 10.8. So looking at 10.8 to break. Missed a lot of opportunities today. Could have been a pretty good day, but started off red, made it all back in the green. What ticker, Juan? This is ATXI. ATXI, ATXI, ATXI. It's still following this small uptrend right here. Look at this. Right up to $10. If I get a dip down here again, I'll add on it. And let's see if we can still get that rip. Hi Juan, what do you use? What do you use? Trade Ideas? Yeah. Trade Ideas is the scanner that I use. Man, what is going on with ATXI? Just give us a nice little pullback, low volume, and let's see if we get the rip. We're looking at $10, and if we break through 10, this thing can get some pretty nice momentum back to high of day on the daily, which is $11.12. And that is what I'm looking for. So let's see if we can catch a little bit of a through an order there on the bid, didn't get filled, canceled it. I want to see this here down here. Buenos días, Juan. ¿Cómo estás? What's up, Junior? Spy on a nice rip. Oh, I don't have Spy on. I have Tesla on today. Spy anywhere back up to 370. I think we go into another leg down. ATXI to me looks like the only play we're watching for the rest of the day. I don't see anything else moving, at least to look at right now. So ATXI. Mercer nailed this trade down here. We were looking at it down there. Mercer took that trade down there. Mercer, you got any runners still? That's almost $1 a share run there. Big fan. What's up on TikTok? Eric, I see your thing on TikTok as well. What's up, man? I'm back. So I think I gave a little bit of $50 there off my high. Still up 260 on this trade here. Those trades were in the morning. What's ticker for MRSA? Same one, ATXI. So John was in 972, sold half at 1015. Would it be patient there? 40-cent gain for John. Nah, I'm not that interested with this big ol' stall out. 5-minute candles, 5-minute time frame getting stuffed. $10 is hard to break. My next trade on this, if we get an opening, is for a nice pull away out of 10 and then retest of 10. Or maybe even a pullback down to 950 again, VWAP, and then a third, fourth attempt at $10. Glad to see you back, bro. Eric, man, you know, I told you guys I'm going to keep going live on TikTok every day until, for some reason, TikTok doesn't let me. So I'm going to be live on TikTok every single morning unless my TikTok gets blocked or suspended or whatever it's called, or my live access gets suspended or taken away, which is exactly what happened 2 or 3 days ago. For some reason, they said that there was inappropriate stuff on stream, and so they went ahead and took my live access, and I was like, what the heck are you talking about? So I peeled it, and they were like, oh no, guess what, you're right, we didn't see anything, and so I got it back. What's my stream schedule here on Tradecaster? 15 minutes before market open. Spy testing is downtrend on the daily. Oh, frick. Are you talking about this trend line that I also have? Coming out of this pennant with the lows. I think Spy has a bounce up. I think Spy has a bounce out of this falling wedge. We know falling wedge patterns tend to break out to the top. So let's see if we get a nice little pop. And then here is where I would be looking anywhere in this zone for Spy to reshort again. And see if we can get one last leg down, collapse, or anything like that. Market crash. You never know. You never know. Also, guys, if you want to trade the large caps, everything that I teach here, everything that I trade, the way I trade them, they apply to large caps. I'm seeing some clear pivots on SPY just on the 5-minute time frame. Pretty nice pivot plays on SPY. Blair up $2 today. See you guys Monday. Nice job, everybody. Awesome, Blair. Yeah, Shaner, if you got any questions, let me know, man. Time to sell. Time to sell this stock. I'm still looking for one last trade. Let me import my trades. So yesterday I was up almost $1,000 on the day. Yesterday was not as good as today, honestly. I think there was a lot more action today, a lot more stocks, a lot more opportunities of stocks actually opening up. But yesterday I did pretty good at nailing some dip trades. There it is again. That I got myself up to $1,000 profit yesterday. Today I started on the red side, so I was down I think max of $200 on the day, and then I made it all the way back, and now sitting probably 250, 260 on the day I think, because I was up 330. No, how much was I up on this stock? 340. So I'm probably up 200 on the day, which is not, I mean, anything special at all. I gave back some profit. I started red. Bad trading on my end today. I missed a lot of possible trades. I don't know if I already did this or not. John's still left on this trade with a quarter size left. That's the runners, 25%. That's not a lot. That's good. ATXI trying to get the squeeze through here. So I'm up $230. Which chart is this? ATXI. Big fan. Let's break 1026. Yeah, that's what I'm looking at. And 1029, the previous high of day. And if this thing picks up volume, if this thing starts ripping, $11 is no question. Let's look at 1050 first. There's probably a lot of people that were shorting this stock. You could see the daily. Look at the daily on this thing. You guys can't see it on TikTok. Let me do this so I can show you guys. This thing has, look, this is the daily on ATXI. 200 moving average is usually where we start seeing squeezes, right? So we tried it once, flushed. What is this? Shorts coming in. Tried it once, flush. Shorts coming in. Third time, flush. Shorts. Fourth, fifth. Today, we're holding it up. If this thing holds, if this thing starts squeezing, this thing easily 11. Could go 12, 13. I don't know if there's a previous high on this thing. But there's shorts from this day, from this day, from this day, from this day, from this day. All stuck in here. You think they're going to bag hold into a losing trade? I don't think so. I think they're going to cut. And for them to cut, they have to buy. And for them to buy, they pump the stock up. For them to pump the stock up, I jump in and I make money. Easy as that. Now back to SPY. I want to keep an eye on SPY. Urban, are you in here? Urban Trades? On Tradecaster, are you in here? Bradley Rogers, hey Juan, how are you? I'm doing good, man. Currently waiting for the hurricane. Oh no, Junior. Take care, man. If everybody here is over there by the hurricane, you guys take care. Hopefully everything goes well. I've seen some videos online and pretty tragic. Do you use stop loss? Yeah, I do. How much did you put in? I don't know. I jumped in several times. How's trading been today? I'm slightly green. At this point, I'm thinking of just putting a limit sell at 1027. If it breaks the highs by 1 penny, it gets slammed. It'll at least get my profit out. Yeah. We're holding $10. I mean, we broke 10. We're holding 10 right now. We're at 1005. Let me see. My P&L for the last 30 days has been pretty clean. Pretty clean, not as in big profits, but pretty clean as in clean trading on my end. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 red days in the last 30 plus days. No, 30 days, sorry, not 30 plus. I don't know what I was thinking. You guys want to see? I figured out how to do this. You guys want to see my all-time P&L? Not my all-time profit, but you guys want to see my all-time chart? or at least since I started it on on TraderView. Oh, I can't make it bigger. All right, here's my all-time chart. I'm not on ATXI. So here's my all-time chart. These are the days where I was pretty good, and then here, one of these is my $12,000 loss, and then this other one right here was like two back-to-back, like $8,000 losses. But slowly going up, slowly going up. And I think that's a little bit over a year of information. Ow. Because I didn't start tracking it right away. I got destroyed by freaking ants on my feet. How did I make that? It's TraderView. If I hang it upside down, it looks just like mine. Pretty consistent recently. Nice looking chart. Amazing Juan. Awesome, man. Smash the like for Juan Trades. Or Juan Thanks, Juan. Sorry. My YouTube people, smash the thumbs up. If I don't get, oh, that's right. I can punish you guys now for not liking the video. I thought you quit. What do you mean I thought you quit? Juan Trades, hi. What's up, people? What's up, TikTok people? SOBR still looking good. SOBR would be looking for 285 break, $3 possibly after that. My YouTube people, I forgot. If I don't get, I'll make it easy. Oh man, I'm hungry. I'm at 23 likes right now. 24 likes, okay? I'll make it easy. 30 likes in the next 5 minutes, or I will throw an ad you guys' way. Now you're gonna like, yeah, you guys are gonna start liking the YouTube video. So 10:28 right now. If I don't get up to 30 likes in 5 minutes, I'm throwing an ad you guys' way. ATXI, it was looking good until it started getting stuffed. I mean, you could still be taking some of these dips, but then now to be careful for a flush. But you could get the nice squeeze. But it wasn't like this where it kind of flushed, held it, strong volume up, first pullback there. Mercer took it. I almost took it there. I was looking slightly more, and then rips. Workhorse looking weak. Oh, it's SOBR. Still, SOBR. I thought you quit. TikTok people, no. If you're saying you thought I quit because I wasn't posting videos, then no, that's because if I post more videos right now or any of them start getting flagged, then I will get my account temporarily suspended. They keep flagging my stuff. ATXI going for it. Well, John, did you sell? Did you sell, John? Oh, 29 likes, guys. You got 10 seconds left in the 5 minutes. I kept track of it. 10 seconds. What was that? Come here. CryptoWire, are you still in here? Oh, there we go. 30 likes. I knew you guys would do it. Just kidding. Appreciate everybody watching on YouTube. Appreciate everybody hitting the thumbs up, the likes. Appreciate it. Hey, dude, what's up? I didn't know, bro. No, what's up, guys? Yeah, SOBR still. You know, I might just call it this week. How much am I up this week? Just under $2,000 this week. Half of that was yesterday, I guess. Okay, that's good, John. That's good. So, what do we think, guys? Should we just call it for a Friday afternoon? Keep an eye on ATXI and Sober, but if not, should we just call it? CryptoWire took off, right? All right, guys. I think I'm just gonna call it. I think I imported my last trade, so I'm up on the day, $230 off of highs of 300, lows of 200. Small day, ending up Friday. But Monday is going to be a new month, October. Finally, we're done with September. Crappy September out the way. We made it through, guys. If you're green, congratulations. Pat yourself on the back. If you're red, slap yourself in the face. Say, do better next month. Lang, talking to you, bro. Don't slap yourself too hard. I'm kidding, Lang. I'm kidding, Lang. Now, for real, Lang. October is your month, Lang. October is Lang's month. We're all gonna help out Lang out this month because we're all a team in this market. All we do is take money from the money makers, and that's it. Jeez, Lang, don't slap yourself, please. Now you had some fire callouts. You've had some fire callouts, I know. That's what I'm saying. Don't give it up. You got it in you. You got it in you. Just fix tiny little habits. Just fix journal your trades for the next month. It helped me a lot. And record them, dude. Record them and watch yourself. You guys see how consistent I am? I kid you not, guys. Every day, I go back and I watch my trades live. I've been doing that the last couple months now. I go back and I watch them and say, did I should have held longer? Did I see something why I should have held longer? Did I see something why I should have taken my profit out? ATXI. Wow. ATXI gonna rip. Look at this. 1050 here. Do shorts get absolutely crushed? This is moment. Oh my gosh. Break of 11. Break of 11. Just YOLO trade for a Friday. Break of 11, 12 new high. That's not a big squeeze yet. That's not a big squeeze yet. Give me the big squeeze. Retest. Fly, baby, fly. Right here, right here, right here. Break of 11, 19. I don't even see the level 2. Where is it? Where's my level 2? I can't see that high. Ah, there it is. I'm out! What did Sean say about me? What did Sean say about me? You know, I don't have the six pack that he might have, but if I did, I'd be going like this. Yes, sir. $500 now on this trade. On this ticker. You know, when you see that, I've been saying it this whole time. Shorts are in the stock. If they get squeezed, I'm jumping in to squeeze them even more. Oh my gosh. Oh my. I didn't make that much on there. I jumped small shares. Well, I mean, I made an extra $300 there, but that was awesome. That thing was awesome the way that thing squeezed. Up $500 on the day now. Still smallish, but I take that trade. That was awesome. Those big squeezes like that are incredible. I love those things. Robin, I love your show. TikTok, even my TikTok chat is going crazy. Even my TikTok chat is going crazy. Who on TikTok saw that? Who saw that live on TikTok? I am legit, guys. I do this every single day and make money in front of you guys. I do this every single day. How many shares you used? 1,000. Let me look at that trade. Should have jumped in at the break of 1050, held 1050. Should have jumped there. But I chased this thing for just a new high. I told you guys 11 was a whole number to look for. Honestly, this might be setting up even more. Look at the increase, and then look at this. Nobody's selling up here. And we've already tried flushing several times. Shorts already tried to get their way here, there, stuff there. You know, I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. Right here, bro. 12. Good job, guys. Good job. Is this options trading or forex? None of the above. It's the stocks. How much did I put in to make 300? No, this is a crazy stock, but the first time I jumped in 500 shares, and my profit on this one wasn't the biggest range, so it was small, but I still got it. That could have been a double bottom dip there. I would say I would say between 5,000 to 10,000 to make that, but I caught a very small move. If you put in a smaller amount, if you would have been in down here, you would have made a lot more, even with smaller amount. So I just scalped the high a day on that one. You missed it as soon as you stepped away. Sorry. Hold on, I might have missed a couple of comments. Nobody on Tradecaster said nice trade, man. Hold on. UCO Allen said missed it, stepped away. Oh, Cad did. Congrats, you nailed it. Awesome. Argent Trader, a little. Yeah, Cad. My bad, Cad. I got you. I got you. That was a good trade. Yeah, that was a quick scalp to high days. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Definitely put me up $500 on this trade now here too. So SOBR perfect dip right here. Did you get the dip through here? Nice pull up and then pull back there. Good job. I closed my program the second before ripped. I hate when that happens, man. I do that a lot, and it happens a lot. When I'm trading, like I literally was like, all right, I'm done trading, guys. Like literally, this started flushing. I was like, I'm done trading, guys. Friday, gonna keep my profit. Sober's looking for a new high. Sober looking for a new high here. Let's see. 3 seconds left on this candle. Do we get? This is gonna squeeze to new high as well. I'm up $9 on the stock here. Let's see if we get. No, that's not a pull. Okay. Missed it. Missed it there. Missed it there. Wasn't really cleanish. Dang it, dang it. Good job, Mersa. Now I'm looking for 3. Once I see that volume come in, I'm looking for $3. 15 seconds left on this candle. 13 seconds left. We gotta hold the volume. We gotta hold the push. Gotta close high. Oh, I am hungry, man. Let's see if we catch a little dip on this one. no dip at all. That could be a good thing, but I think I'm like $10 under 500 profit today. So let's see if I can just get $10 here, which is very small. I mean, obviously I'll try to make more, but let's see if it puts me up. But I'm looking at least touching $3, but I want to catch a dip. ATXI still holding up there, still flagging, honestly. What is SOBR doing? Mersa though. Mersa nailed the trade down here again. Are you back in the green, Mersa? Did Mersa just do a red to green? Break even. Nice, man. Nice. Good job. If this breaks too... Okay. Hold on. Watch this dip, 285. Watch the dip, 285. Adding very tiny size. I'm looking for 285 though. Well. Well. I mean, I guess I'll take that profit there. I guess I'll take the enough profit to get over $500 today. Maybe that was a dip. Let's keep watching. Let's keep watching. I want it 285. I had bigger share size. What platform do I use? Let me think about that one. Thinkorswim. ATXI, let's go, baby. Big fan. Did you get back in on ATXI, big fan? Oh, that was so close. Another flag here ripped up, and now sellers are going to be in on that one. SLBR, we could get another little pullback down, kind of double bottom there, 285, and see if volume comes in on that one, and then retest high of day or up to $3. Here, watching here, 285 spike down. Let's see if we get it. Nope. Again, already bouncing there. Already bouncing there. But you know what? Let me see. Here you go, guys. Profit for today, $506. Yesterday, $944. Oh no, big fan, you're still holding. I cut them fast, right? Junior Garcia, I missed your message. Heading out. Awesome, man. Have a great weekend, guys. Everybody on, whether you're on YouTube, or sorry, never mind. I don't know what I was thinking. All right, guys. I think I'm definitely gonna call it there now. Up $500 on the day. Pretty good day. I mean, I missed a lot of trades today. I missed a lot of good trades. I even called them out and didn't take them. But if you guys want to see all the trades that I called out and missed, I'll make a YouTube recap and include them all in there. I think there's a lot just on ATX side that I missed. But I'll do a full recap. I might take a little bit of break though, cause my throat is dried. Friday today, so weekend. This in the next 2 days is a weekend, so I'll be back on Monday. For everybody watching, I appreciate you guys for you guys' time, whether you're watching on Tradecaster, on YouTube, or TikTok. I appreciate you guys all being here. Appreciate you guys all being part of the team and contributing, staying active. Whether you're liking, subscribing to YouTube, just chatting on Tradecaster, or on TikTok. I don't understand anything of TikTok gifts and whatever you guys are. If you guys give gifts or likes or whatever you do, thank you, appreciate it. Thanks, one. Have a great weekend. Awesome. People on TikTok. So on Tradecaster and YouTube, obviously I'm gonna keep trading there. There's no reason why. Ooh, FIFA 2023. Anybody want to play? I'm just kidding. Um, there's no reason why I'm gonna stop streaming on YouTube or Tradecaster, but my TikTok people, I tried posting TikToks and they keep getting taken down. They keep saying I'm a fraud and I'm a scam, but obviously they just don't want me to teach new people how to trade and make money for a living. Um, so if for some reason my account disappears or I cannot go live, then just know that I'm still streaming live on YouTube and on Tradecaster. So I'm always free. I'm always there, and it is free, completely free. You guys can watch me trade live. Tradecaster.com, it will ask you for a payment. All you gotta do is cancel it. You don't even have to put a credit card to watch me trade there. Um, so yeah, if I don't stream live on TikTok, that is why, or post videos. I'm gonna try to post today's video, that one right there, on TikTok, and see if it doesn't ban me or anything like that. But we'll see. And then number two, if anybody is a complete beginner and has and wants to learn and wants, look at that dip on SOBR getting bought up. If everybody's a complete beginner and you want to learn and know exactly what I do offer my course. Obviously, I'm going to charge for it, but my price I think is pretty cheap compared to a lot of people, and I stream. Oh my gosh. Look at three hold. Three's about to bust, and this is about to fly. What? There's no way it's not breaking. There it is. I'm out. I made a little bit more. MRSA! Oh, MRSA. Ah. I added a little bit more. Hold on. Before I go, I gotta tell you guys exactly how much I made because I do this every single day, and you guys see that I am actually trading live money right in front of you guys, and this is why I have to charge for my course. If you don't believe me, just come in here, watch me trade for a week, and watch me make real money. And then if you want to learn, then obviously my course is going to teach you everything you need. I was up 506 on the day, and I took two quick scalps there. I think both of them are green. Tiny size. So it's 506. Now I'm up $530. And Mercer's now in the green. Good job, Mercer. What a comeback. I'm out of office. What's Spy at? Spy is tanking, bro. Spy is at 343. Moonbean. Sell, dude. Sell. I'm kidding. Spy is at 363. My bad. 363. Guys, if you are interested in the course, 150 off at checkout. 150 off at checkout gives you that $150 discount. All right, I'm calling it Friday. Good trading, good way to end the day. I was green, I was red on this one. 150 made it all back, and I think I went green on every. No, I didn't go green on every ticker. I was red on AIMD. AIMD red $50. Alright guys, y'all have a good weekend. I will do a recap here pretty soon. You guys go like it, go comment on the recap, promote it to more people. And that's pretty much it, guys. Any questions, you guys know where to find me. I do have a Discord. Not too early, haha, it came back, SOBR. This time I'm out too early. Okay, I see it. Robin, I wish you can teach us. We don't have enough to pay you, but God will pay you. Man, I hope. I'm doing this all for free still. Alright, I'm going to head out, guys. Y'all guys have a good weekend. And I will see you guys on Monday. Good trading today for all of you guys. This time I'm for real out. Y'all have a good one.